Deputy Speaker Jong Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Timothy D. Shira Negsngi Ulaiti City Inokam Kum Deputy Speaker Shao Speaker Jong Ka Legislative Assembly.
From the beginning, demand is there. But I told them, not to go to Chief Minister because it is his prerogative. Not to disturb him also. MD meeting, I don't know that also. Because no information I have received till now. I don't know anything about this.
So, but why suddenly, sir, the decision?
So on this matter, I don't have any further comment. That's all.
So, why the decision suddenly?
Suddenly, decision is up to our party high command.
So, is there a push for other MLAs to, take over?
That also I don't know. Only last night I received a call from CM. Then he said, "Awang, you better resign tomorrow." So I resigned. As a loyal party man, I cannot say no.
But you should have said why. You should have protested.
I did not ask why also because I don't like to ask why. Because I know it is prerogative.
But you are the most senior person.
Even then, you say, as a senior most party man, I should not ask him also. It depends on his wisdom.
Don't you think that you should know the reason? You are perfectly all right now. There is no sickness. Why somebody has to say that you have to resign immediately?
That is why I say I don't have any further comment on that. Because you see, I have tendered my resignation as per the direction from the party high command. And say what I am asked to do, I have done it. So it depends on the what is called the wisdom of the Shem, whether he asks me to sit somewhere or go somewhere. That also I don't know.
But
that also I don't know. I did not ask him why I should resign.
Not even a single word was said. Why? The reason why?
No. Till now.
Maybe you will be accommodated in the cabinet, in the reshuffle.
That also I don't know. I say it is his prerogative. I tell you. Yeah. I don't know whether I'll be inducted or I'll be thrown away or I'll be sent somewhere else. I say.
Sir, but does this make you angry?
Does this make you angry?
It's not too early, I think. They want to do the election of the deputy CM within this session. So I have to keep way.
So are you not angry?
Huh?
Are you
Angry.
not angry?
Huh?
Angry.
No, I'm not angry. I'm not angry. I'm quite satisfied. Satisfied.
So,
This is my nature. I never get angry.
sir,
In politics, so far as politics is concerned, I never get angry.
sir, what time you resign and yesterday what time you receive a call from CM?
At about 11 at night, when I was about to sleep,
And
suddenly I got a call.
and today what time you resign, sir?
Huh?
Today what time you resign, sir?
Before 9:30,
so he
so
has
far I remember.
not explained to you the reason why you should quit.
No, I did not ask for explanation also. I didn't ask him also.
But is it not a logical, normal thing? The question comes.
I have a full trust in him. I don't know. You see, so I cannot say no because he's my most favorite CM.
So who will be succeeding you?
What?
Who will succeed you as a deputy speaker? Next deputy speaker, who will be?
Next deputy speaker, that also I don't know. Who will be, whom they will pick up for deputy speaker. That also, I say it is not within my knowledge.
But are you giving any suggestion?
No. I am not giving suggestions. I don't know. I don't give you any suggestion. So.